Alright, so I've been on the emulation like hunt here, and I found an all-in-one PS1, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color emulator player here, and you all are going to love it. And I'm also using it in the cloud where the game does not download on your phone and the game runs off the cloud with zero lag. Let me show you. So first and foremost, it's called ClassicBoy Pro. I'm sorry, I messed that all up. It's this right here. I'm gonna make sure I put the link in the description below. You already know what it is. Once you hit install, let's hit and play. All right, and then once you go here, it's gonna be empty like this. You can hit the three Johns on the left here, and it shows you the PS1, the 64, the GBA, the GBC, the GB, the WB, the WW, the Super Nintendo, things like that, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the Sony PlayStation, right? And I'm going to just show you how to do it. I ripped all these games off my, my computer. Like I put the disc on the DVD drive and I ripped it, you know what I'm saying, from my personal collection, training purposes only, training purposes only. I mean, you can get it any way you want to, you know what I'm saying? If there's a, a ROM site, whatever, get things like that, training purposes only, whatever, and then you could put it on your phone from the storage here. But once you get it, make sure you have the file on your phone. You go to the bottom right here, hit add games, right? And I'm going to do it for the Sony PlayStation, okay? And I'm going to hit okay, right? And then you can find your games. For me, it's all in my OneDrive here, which is crazy. So I'm going to show you how it pulls from the cloud here. This is all my OneDrive. Crash Bash, let's do that. One game found, that's dope. Sony PlayStation, you already know. So it just pulled it from the cloud here for me. I'm going to hit it, Crash Bash. You can start new game. There's the game settings here. You can go here, add cheats. You can go to controllers. If you have a wireless controller, Xbox, PlayStation, Lane Station, all that good stuff, you can add the controllers here. It looks like they have the presets already. So like it's like a template. So if you hook up the Xbox controller, it kind of emulates the same controls, but you can customize it as needed. You have the core settings here. We can change the controllers. You can change the screen size here, the aspect ratio, things like that. You can select the BIOS that you have to rip from your actual PlayStation console or any console that you use, training purposes only, or you can go on the website, different website. I'm sure there's on there, different BIOS, things like that, training purposes only. Going back here, they have the memory cards, the system menu, things like that, and their start game. So just to let you know, if you have your controller connected, these buttons right here, they actually do not, they disappear after that. So no worries, but it's pretty dope. Like this is legendary. There's no lag. It's pretty great. Like I said, definitely check out my channel if you want to see more. I'm going to show you guys more cloud related things. It's going to make sense. Crash Bash. Alright, I'm sorry. Alright, and there's a lot of settings here. Reverbation, game speed, low state. You can save the state, things like that. I'm going to hit exit here. I'm going to show y'all one more thing here. So Sony Blame Station, we got that here. I want to add another game. Okay, let's go to Nintendo 64 real quick. I think I have a Nintendo 64 game. Let's hit OK here. It's going to pull it up. I'm going to go to my emulators here. I'm going to go to my 64 here. I'm going to go to my games. I'm going to Pokemon Stadium. All right, and it just pulled it up here. I'm going to play this, and I'm going to start game. Everything's already preset. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. This is what it is, y'all. This is what it is. Congratulate me. Thank me later. You know what I'm saying? Thank me later. You don't gotta thank me now. Just thank me later. You know what I'm saying? But thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna find more emulators. If you have any questions, please let me know. And once again, I can't show you how to get the ROMs or add them to your phone, but once you get the files from your collection, just put it on your phone. Make sure it's in your downloads, or make sure it's in one of the folders that you can find. You know what I'm saying? Go here, go to the bottom right, add it to one of the consoles here. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right, y'all. Peace.